Pictory review / demo. So the first thing you see when you log into Pictory is this page. And here you have the option to choose if you want to do script to video, article to video, edit video using text, or visuals to video. And what I found easiest to use is script to video, where I just feed it the script and it creates a video around it. And for the script, I let the ChatGPT create it. So when we click on proceed, here we can put in the name for the video. So I put in Pictory review, and I asked ChatGPT to create the script around doing a review for Pictory. So this is the script here, and here we can now choose how many slides we want. So essentially, it's going to create the new slide for or new scene for every sentence break or line break, which means that if there's a question mark or an exclamation mark, it's going to put everything into one scene. So make sure you don't have too much information in one scene. So this seems okay here. So let's click on proceed. And now we can choose the template. So the templates are just different ways that text appears on the slide, and different color and different type of text. Well, there's a bunch of different ones here, but I like this one the most. It's called books. So let's go with this one. And now you can choose the aspect ratio. So if you want to do a regular YouTube video or if you want to do a short, we'll choose the regular one. And now it's just gonna create all the background images and all of the other stuff. So it's gonna take a little bit of time. But when this is done, then pretty much your video is actually almost done. You just need to choose the background music and the voiceover if you want one, and click download, and that's it. So with this one, you can create pretty much a 5 minute videos in 5 minutes. So you can just crank up 10 videos, 12 videos per hour, and have your YouTube channel filled with videos in a couple of days if you want. But just a little bit of more time, and this way you'll actually get an overview of how long it actually takes. So almost done now, hopefully. Let's see. Okay, just a little bit more. But until it's done, I'll just shut up so I can enjoy the silence in peace. All right, all done. And now here it shows the video duration is 4 minutes and 20 seconds. So under story here, now you can look at all the scenes and if it's too much information on one scene or not. And you can also change the background, the image or video if you want. You can replace it with something, or you can just delete it altogether. Then here's the visuals, where we can look at the database of visuals that they have. We can replace them and so on. Then it's audio, and here we can choose the background music and we can choose the voiceover. So there's a lot to choose from, and I've already added a couple of those to my favorites. So I'll just go to the favorites here, and I'll add in the Better Together background music, and I will add Brian's voice. And here you can also choose under the volume button the background music volume and the voiceover volume. So right now, because it hasn't added the voiceover in yet, it shows 0. But once both of those are added in, you can actually choose how loud the background music is compared to the voiceover, so that it wouldn't be too loud. And then you can choose the text, elements, styles, branding, etc. But for the most part, this is actually it. So as soon as the voiceover is added, it balances out the volume itself. I'll just click on download, and I can upload the video to YouTube. So if you go to my channel, you'll see the AI created video of video review of Pictory. Thanks for watching, and